Hi, this is Colton Kaiser with the Family Camping Service Center in Amarillo, Texas. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2020 Rockwood fifth wheel 2882S with the unique rear kitchen design.
This model has a rear hitch receiver that's rated for 300 pounds. It's prepped for the wireless Furion rear backup camera. Comes with a large pass-through storage bay. This model has the LCI 4-point auto leveling system. The turning point rotating pin box allows for easy towing with both short bed and long bed pickups. This model comes with the 50 amp power supply. It also has the Wi-Fi range extender and is prepped for solar panels. The Rockwood uses the Dexter Torque Flex axle suspension. The underbelly, front cap, and slide-out floors are all insulated with radiant foil. This model comes with the 16-inch wheels and tires equipped with the TST tire monitoring system. The full electric awning with the full-length LED light strip provides a large patio area. The pitch of this awning can be adjusted to allow for rain runoff. This model has an outside kitchen setup with a swing-out propane grill. This unit has a large 4-door, 12 cubic foot gas-electric RV refrigerator. This model comes prepped for a washer and dryer combo. The shower miser helps you conserve water when camping in remote locations. The heated and enclosed tanks prevent freezing in winter conditions. If you have any questions regarding the 2020 Rockwood 2882S fifth wheel, feel free to stop by, give us a call, or visit our website.